Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have made myself a beautiful lasagna. So, and there's some garlic bread off to the side. Maybe I'll put one here. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, so this came out of the oven, then I let it sit for 5 minutes or so. And I don't want it to get too cold, but I want to dig in. So, how is everybody? Oh my god. So this has like 4 different kinds of cheeses and oh my god. If you don't like the crispy part of the lasagna on the corners, I don't know what is wrong with you. Do I need a knife? Okay. We're gonna have to make it do because I'm not getting up. This is a big piece. Okay. Oh my god. And so ricotta, what else? Parmesan, Romano, mozzarella, there's meat sauce. Should I pull it out or eat it from the tray? I want to let it sit just a little bit more. Oh, sorry, I was covering my face. I got a Coke to drink. Oh, it's going to be hot. Oh my god, don't fall. Ooh. Oh, guys. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Mmm. That's so good. Okay. Let's push you up a little. Do you see how the steam is coming off of that? The corners. Oh my god. Hang on one second. What is Maya doing? Okay. Let's dig in. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh, it's so bright. Sorry, guys. Mm. Oh. Oh, so hot. Let me turn this down a little bit. Is that better? Whew. Mm. Oh, it's so perfect. Oh, Mal's gonna be so happy. Mm. I'm gonna try and pull you in closer. Mm. Mm. Oh, look at this crispy bit. Mm. 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 So yummy. I hate making lasagna though, it's so much work. Mm. Why I love Italian food so much? Sorry about that. Whew. This is killing it today. Whew. Oh my god. I feel like I can still bring you guys closer. Yeah, that's okay. Like, how delicious is that? I don't know if you like lasagna. How many of you guys make homemade lasagna? And what kind of noodles do you use? I like to use the fresh noodles. It makes such a difference. Mm. Mm. That's another crispy corner. That's like all ricotta. Mm. Mm. Oh my god, it's so cheesy. Sorry. I don't know if you can hear that. Mm. Ah, still hot. Hot. I am such a cheese lover. I don't think that there is a cheese that I have come across that I do not like. But my least favorite, which I still eat it, it's like not bad, it's just my least favorite cheese, is probably ricotta. Believe it or not. Mm. Mm. I don't normally use metal straws. I don't like them because I tend to like bang my teeth, or I get scared if like the kids have them and they are walking around, I don't know, and they fall or they sneeze and it gets stuck up your brain. And so we buy the silicone ones, but I had this one straw and I'm like, oh, I'll use it because I didn't feel like the silicone ones are like really big and it doesn't fit in the top. And but when you're drinking it, and because it's metal, it stays like up the straw so cold. I like it. Now, I have a question for you guys. So we're getting into the second wave. I hate when people do that when they're eating and they're trying to talk and then take a long chew. So we're getting into the second wave now. And this weekend is Canadian Thanksgiving. Normally we go visit my grandmother, and we have a big family, like 50 of us. I told them, first of all, you're not allowed to get together in groups of more than 10. So instead of all of us together, they were thinking like they do one family at a time. And I'm like, I'm not going to go because where they live, I live in the GTA area, the Greater Toronto area. It's a lot of cases here. They live in a small town. They don't really have very many cases. So I don't want to put my grandmother at risk, and they're telling me like I'm being paranoid, like because most people are back to work now and are in school. And I'm like, no, she's like up there. Do you guys think I'm paranoid? I still do my groceries online. I think since lockdown, I've been to the grocery store twice. Everything I do online. The only thing I can't do is like prescriptions, and so I go to the pharmacy. That's about it. That's all we go, where we go. I don't know if I want another one. I'm kind of getting full. Maybe I'll do a little piece. Just a little piece. You would think I would have brought a knife. Nope. Oh, I know it. Oh, but look at that. You see all that ricotta? I got some lasagna on my garlic bread. Mm. I got a new lipstick color, and I love how it's staying on. Mm. Oh. A lot of people out there think they're doing this for scare tactics and all this stuff. What do you think? Mm. Mm. If you stayed this long, wow, thank you. Also, what's your favorite pasta dish? I think mine has to be like baked ziti or like a spicy sausage pasta, a gnocchi, like a homemade gnocchi, and like a seafood pasta. Guys, I'm done. I'm tapping out. I know I promised video, a video that will be coming when I get around to it. So anyway, guys, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.